Alright, that one's empty. I'm going to try to go through this quickly. It's going to be a long video. I don't want it to be too long. Oh, yeah. I forgot about this one. I got another bag. And I already have one of these, but I just wanted a bag so I can start putting all my boxes in and stuff. To put all these boxes in. I have a bag already started up here. Then I got a bundle set. For my stack Gen 5 timer. As you can see, you can put your name on it. So it comes with a bag. This was the bundle set I had. And it came with the new stack Gen 5 timer. This is not compatible with other comes protected, which is always nice. Good. I didn't want to get that real big one. Very thin, but it's not the really large one. Yeah, it's not compatible with other. Oh yeah, that's a nice size. We packed that really well. Got my timer. So here I already dropped it. So you take your that little tab out to start it. Yep. Take that tab out to start it. This is the one that has the 2-pad. I'm not going to get into it because there's plenty of other YouTubers that got this and explains to you the palm one and the thumb. The thumb one and the palm right now you have to use if you're doing the stackable cups. But that's what actually Speed Stacks means, the company. But if you're using it for cubes, you want to put it on the two, not the 4-pad, but the 2-pad. But I'm only going to use the 2-pad version because that's what the cubing competition, that's all you need for that. So, very light. And the reason why the mats are not compatible with this one, because they have a new system. And the way they built this had to be a little bit more in, so the other one is longer. So this fits right on in here like this, and it just snaps in. As you can see, the mat is in the shape of the pad. But so blue means something. I figured out how to change. It doesn't take long to pop them back out too. I think it states it over here. Yeah, hold 5 seconds to change from 2-pad to the reset button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see that? Now it's on the 2-pad version. That's the one I want. And I think these buttons are more durable than the last Speed Stack, the Gen 4. Because the other ones kept wearing down. And also, you can't accidentally hit the reset button. You got to actually press it down for more than a second to reset it. So that's what the that yellow I think means 2-pad, and the other color meant the 4-pad. And then there's another color green I think is when you start it. Here, let's try it out. All right, here we go. Ready? All right. Oh, I got to do my inspection. That's fine. One. Another one. That's good. Nice. And done. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. That's bad. But I just wanted to show you how it works. It's good. 2-pack. I slammed this thing. Yeah. Don't know how durable it is. I mean, just reset it. See, it doesn't reset when you just hit it. You gotta hold it down. There you go. And to shut it off, you can't shut it off by accident. You gotta hold it down. Just for longer than a split second. So it's a New Year's Eve cube. Because the amount was over $75. So let me start with white. Forget it. I just do some Psalms. And green is I will compete more. The yellow is I will explore a new puzzle. Blue is I will get my dream cube. Red is I will learn new algorithms. And orange I will practice every day. So it is a novelty type cube, so it is really. You're not going to solve with it, but it's just one to display. So I'm gonna display it right here. So that's how it looks. So officially, I didn't pay for this; it came free, but it was only like I don't know, $7.99 or something. All right, what we got next? Ooh, I got the blackout cubicle sticker. Cause I needed to. No, man, I don't get stickers because I'm not a big fan of stickers. Oh, I like that one. I was just going to put one up here. Alright. If you look up there, I got Grogu. Where you at? Right there. The Grogu Rubik's Cube cubers. So I had to get the Mandalorian, right? I can't have Grogu without Mando. Alright, and I got those $3.99 cubes again. The MFJS Me Long 3C, $3.99. These are the ones I got. I bought like 25 of them for the Toys for Tots. The Cubicle.com, the blackout one. My discount for that order was $23.97. So it was the bundles and using the code and all that stuff. So that is all I have. I don't think I missed anything. Right, without further ado, if you have any questions, write it down below and I try to answer them as much as I can. Like I said, my speedcubing unboxing is going to slow down a lot because I'm not going to buy anything unless I really see something. And that's about it. So I got all the cubes. I got enough. I'm not an expert speedcuber. I'm not even a speedcuber. I can solve a cube at a minute and 30 seconds, and I'm not even consistent at that. So if you're looking for advice on cubes, this might not be the channel for you. I just unbox for fun, so use my channel for fun, and that's about it. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Flipping the cube, let the speed take control. Breaking records, yeah, it's more than just a goal. Tune into our podcast, feel the passion ignite. The millisecond show, we're shining so bright.